I thought it was love at first sight, but in time I turned him down. Something in his furrowed frown told me that something just ain't right. So I asked him if he'd ever been told of a love that could never die, never grow cold. Well, I need you, but I leave you. I cry, what's it to you if I stay here or if I go? And I know I need to love you. I can't stop thinking of you. If I can't choose, how will I know how far these roots grow? How far do these roots grow? So I kept walking down the lane. I crawled into a jet aeroplane. 2 nights in a row I flew high. Just as I started coming down, he stopped me with that furrowed frown. Said, good girls flying high, it just ain't right. So I asked him if he'd ever had the joy of seeing the whole world away from all the noise. Well, I need you, but I leave you. I cry, what's it to you if I stay here or if I go? And I know I need to love you. I can't stop thinking of you. If I can't choose, how will I know how far do these roots grow? Well, just how far do these roots grow? My roots and boots never walked down the aisle, just down this barroom floor. Can't take it anymore. And if my tongue was made for talking, why should I be shutting my lips down? Good girls don't make a sound. Standing at a widow's grave, I asked her to show me the way. She just turned to me and she smiled. She said the ways down gravel lanes, it's flying high in aeroplanes. Knowing right from wrong ain't what to know. It's how far do your roots grow? How far do your roots grow? 'Cause I need you, but I leave you. I cry, what's it to you if I stay here or if I go?